Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shikha Garg. Let's talk about dengue today. Why? Because initially it was supposed to come earlier, but now latest we are seeing a lot of cases of dengue. So what you are supposed to do if you are having fever, joint aches or pains, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, or anywhere you're feeling like very malaise or lethargic, get tested for your platelet counts, for your CBC count, and on the day of fever, when it is second day onward, you can get tested for your dengue as well. Before that, dengue NS1 antigen does not come positive, so there is no point of getting tested that. But after that, dengue NS1 is positive, and in 1 week even IgM antibodies would be positive. So if you are having symptoms, don't ignore them. What you are supposed to do is get tested immediately. And if your platelet count is falling, normal platelet count is 1.5 to 4.5 million or up to 4 lakh. And if it is less than 1.5 lakh, up to like 50,000, it's fine. You can get tested repeatedly after 24 to 48 hours, and up to that mark, it is fine. Home care is okay. But below that, it is a critical situation. You need to visit hospital immediately. And in cases if it is less than 20,000, it's an extreme emergency. Patient can bleed. In cases you had dengue earlier, you had a history of getting infected from the dengue earlier, it's high chances this time of dengue or when you're getting infected again, it's going to be very serious. So take it very seriously if you're having fever, cough, cold, abdominal pain, or all the symptoms I just mentioned. There's another reel I've posted on dengue. Watch that also. Feel free to ask the questions in the comment box. Also share, subscribe to the YouTube channel for all the latest videos on the latest diseases, and also the journal things about your health you should know. So for dengue, it is a critically situation. If it happens, you need to be very careful. Initially, home care with lots of hydration and simple paracetamol can work. I cannot recommend paracetamol directly to everybody, so you have to be visiting your doctor. But it's the general treatment which can be taken with a disclaimer that it has to be taken under prescription. Do not take it, self-medicate yourself, and don't go for the chemist or the pharmacist directly procuring drugs. All other painkillers are supposed to be avoided in dengue. So make sure you take care of yourself. Feel free to ask the questions. Thank you so much.